Yay, got to work on it longer today. It made a huge dent. Got all the lights bundled up, got all the extension cords bundled up, got all the fabric separated. Those are the big ones that go on top. Nice, nice. So many containers already gone from here. And now we're getting this area filled up with the containers. So nice. That's all of our hardware right there. Figured, hey, these containers for Halloween snacks are pretty big. I think we'll use those. Oh yeah. Got everything in its place. Looking good, looking good. We have so much room here. Let me step on the outside. See how much room we still have? Oh my goodness. It's ginormous. And then we still have a little tiny bit on the outside here that needs to be put in. Soon, it should all be done.